Well, it's the coldest it's been, I think, in Texas certainly since I can remember. But you know, what do you do when it looks like this? When it's normally just green and lush, and you got this kind of stuff all over your porch. And look at the icicles hanging down over there on the rafters. My 22 targets out there in the frozen ice land. So not a whole lot, but it's been 3 days now, no power. Gone through all my firewood, so I've been picking and grinning with writing songs and sitting by a fireplace, and that's all the wood I got left. My buddy Lee's gonna come over and we're gonna go see if we can scout around and find some more. So best thing to do when you're in this kind of situation is to make something hot and spicy to eat. So right off the bat, all my chicken that I had frozen for food or whatever started to thaw. So I threw it all into a pot. Had about a couple of pounds of chicken, some gold potatoes, so lots of zucchini and onions. And so the hot soup, when it's actually, what is it in here? It's inside the house, other not in front of the fireplace. It is 48 degrees in here right now. So to go with that, I'm gonna take some fresh jalapenos. I'm kind of gutting out of them a little bit, you know, the meat and the seeds, but I'm gonna leave a little in there to keep it going well. Then I'm gonna take that and stuff it with some cream cheese. So then you just take some of this cream cheese like this. And you put it into the jalapeno like that. You gotta be careful not to put too many of those seeds in there, man. They get really lively, but that's what you want on a cold day like this. So I'll fill the rest of these up. Then I'll wrap them with bacon. Well, I'd give you, you know, the play-by-play as I'm doing this, but I can't hold the dang camera and get cream cheese and the jalapenos and get the bacon out and what have you. But I think you're getting the idea here. See the bacon, the cream cheese, stuffed into these fresh jalapenos. I'm gonna wrap those suckers up. And luckily I have a gas, propane gas cooking system here. So I can keep cooking my soup and I can grill these puppies. And we'll be eating high on the hog while we're freezing to death. They're all prepped. So the next step will be to pull out my favorite little cast iron griddle, and we'll cook these puppies either right here on the stove top. Might just take it over there and stick it right in the fireplace. So just take this guy, you lay these tasty little morsels out here. This out a little bit so you can see better. Boom, like that. Boom, boom, boom. And when my neighbors come over, who've been so helpful in making sure I'm safe and sound, I'll have some snacks for them. A hearty, hot cup of chicken soup to go with it. So this guy will probably work just right on the same fireplace that's keeping us warm. I'll keep you posted and show you how it comes out later.